ready to bridge the distance and send love and funds to Jamaica. First, open the Worldremit app or visit worldremit.com and select Jamaica as the country you're sending to. Now, enter the amount you want to send. Worldremit will automatically calculate the Jamaican dollar equivalent. Be mindful of any transfer limits that may apply. Next, choose your payout method in Jamaica. Popular options include bank transfer directly to a Jamaican bank account or cash pickup at convenient locations across the island. Select what works best for your recipient. Carefully fill in your recipient's details. Their full legal name, address, and a valid Jamaican phone number are essential for a smooth transfer. Double-check everything to avoid delays. Choose your payment method. Worldremit accepts various options like debit cards, credit cards, and bank transfers. Select your preferred method. Review all the details one last time: €, amount, recipient information, and payment method €, to ensure everything is accurate. Confirm your transfer. You'll receive a transaction reference number to track your transfer, and your recipient will be notified when the funds are ready for pickup or have arrived in their account. Now you have successfully sent money to Jamaica using Worldremit.